Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to convert dataset to a table in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Alright, so if you want to convert a dataset to a table, all you have to do is select the dataset you want to convert to a table, then right click on the highlighted dataset, then select convert to a table. As you can see, this is a new feature. And now, as you can see, Google Sheets has converted this dataset to a table, so we got all these nice table functions and features here we can use in any way we want. And it's really easy to add new rows or new columns to this table using this table function, this table feature. So now this is how to convert a Google Sheets dataset to a table. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets shortcut keys ebook for free and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists where we have a ton of tutorials and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up. So also make sure to subscribe.